When I stumbled across the dusty typewriter at a yard sale, it felt as if fate had guided my hand. Its keys were cool beneath my fingers, whispering promises of nostalgia. That night, as the wind howled like a forgotten specter, I decided to test it out. With each clack, my heart thrummed with an unexplainable apprehension. I watched, breathless, as the machine began typing on its own, weaving tales of my most intimate fears, of drowning, of being buried alive, of a childhood closet that never felt quite right. Each story was vivid, inked in a way my mind had only dared to imagine. I tried to pull away, but a compulsion rooted me in place, as if the typewriter demanded an audience. It wasn't until the keys began spelling out my name, followed by the sinister revelation of the fear inside you was not alone, that I realized the stories were not just fiction, they were a prelude.